up, brothers and sisters in Christ? You getting pumped about the train? Let's go. Here we go. People, get ready. There's a train coming. You don't need no baggage. You just get on board. Oh, all you need is faith to hear that Jesus coming. You don't need no ticket. You just thank the Lord. Ooh. People, get ready for the train to heaven, picking up passengers coast to coast. Faith is the key. Open the doors and board them. There's hope for all among those loved the most. Oh, there ain't no room for the hopeless sinner whom would hurt all mankind just to save his own. Oh, have pity on those whose chances grow thinner, for there is no hiding place against the kingdom's throne, except for Jesus, of course. People, get ready. Oh, there's a train coming. You don't need no baggage. You just climb on board. That's right. All you need is faith to hear that Jesus coming. You don't need no ticket. You just think. Who do you think? You just think. I wish I was a better gospel singer. It's okay. You thank the Lord. Oh, you thank Jesus Christ. Oh, get on that Jesus train. He's coming very soon. Oh, let's get excited, church.